Guys, actually, hindi pa ako na-delay, pero I tried to test because I feel like I am pregnant. Kasi na makadungog. So, nag-test ko ako alang day, and this is the result. Na siya gamay faded blue there. So, it said diri pag naa siya faded, if may faded siya na konti dito, so it must be positive, pero hindi pa siya clear kasi nga too early pa, so hindi pa ako hindi ko pa na-miss yung period ko. So possibility guys, yung periods ko will come this coming 25. So 21 ngayon, 4 days left, and then nag-test ako ngayon and may faded blue talaga siya, day. Yan oh, closer natin. Wait lang, hindi kasi siya ma-focus, B. Pero may faded, diba? Makikita nyo dyan, oh. Konti lang, faded blue. We'll see, guys. I'm gonna take again after 2 days and we'll see if the same result. Kasi nga today, hindi ako nag-take ng morning. So, nag-take ako ngayon, hapon na. So, tingnan natin, guys, if I retake after 2 days, if magla-light na ba yung dito niya. Hoy! Excited na, kinakabahan ako, be. Pero talagang may color blue siya na light. Tingnan mo. Diyan, no? Ayan, no? Hindi siya masyadong halata. Kasi, diba, hindi pa naman ako, hindi ko pa na-miss yung period ko. Ayan, no? Tingnan na lang natin, guys. After 2 days, so 21 to 23. And then, I will update you, okay? Bye-bye! Hi guys, good morning. So today is June 2022. Yesterday, nag-test ako and ito may faded line and gusto ko siyang i-confirm. So, let's do this. Kinakabahan ako. Tulog pa yung asawa ko dahil. I'm nervous. I'm excited sa result yun eh. So, ayun na. Then let's see. Hintayin natin ng 3 minutes. Tingnan niyo siya, day. Ayan, o. 9. Wait lang. Tingnan yan natin. Pag ganyan. Tingnan mo. Kita niyo ba? Parang nag-clear yung ano niya, day. Yung kanyang blue. Ayan. Maybe it's too early pa ako nag-test kasi hindi pa naman ako delay. Pero cleared na siya kumpara yesterday. Yesterday hindi siya masyadong nakita eh. Pero tingnan niyo to. Ayan o. Klarong-klaro na siya, day. Oh my God. Baby. Dad. Kokman. Sleepy. Come here. Look. It's positive. Guys, it's positive. Look, clear na siya. Ayan o. Video guys, I will take another test again. Anyway, today is June 25, 2025. So here's another. I buy another one because I want to confirm. Kasi nga last time guys, I have 2 tests here. So 21, June 21 and 20. So here is a little bit clear. Pero yung first, it's not really clear. So, I want to do again. And we'll see if it's more darker na than sa first and second test ko. So, this is third tester ko na. Anyway, my period is not yet come. So, my period gonna become on June 25. Actually, 23 pa ngayon. So, 24, 25. Hindi pa ako delay, guys. Pero you can see naman sa first test and second test ko. Sa second test ko, medyo clear na siya. Pero hindi pa siya talagang dark na makikita nyo. So, I will gonna do the test again. Okay. Wait me. Guys, meron na tayong wiwi. Marapong na yata dyan. So, I'm gonna put you there. Kasi hindi ko naman ipapakita sa inyo dyan yung wiwi ko. Actually, guys, hindi na ako kinabahan. That is because, diba, nag-test na ako ng 2 tests. And then, diba, seems positive talaga siya, day. So, wala talaga tayong magagawa. My baby na tayo. Magiging mother na si Indermela. So, this is the test. Ayan. Ayan, day, ha. Baka sabihin niyo sa akin na nilagyan ko ng ano dyan. Wala siya, hindi mo siya masulatan, day, kasi meron siyang screen dyan, oh. So, the moment of the truth. Ganyan lang natin. And then, ganyan. For may handle. And then, itusok-tusok natin. So, ilagay ko na siya sa ihi, day. Ayan. Hindi ko ba alam kung tama tong ginagawa ko, be. Pero I feel tama naman. So, 3, 2, 1. Wala pa, sis. Wait lang. Whoo! Oh my God. We'll see. Okay, tingnan natin. Ayan, guys. Nalagyan ko, may dark red na siya. Pero may unti-unting nanag. Yan. Pero tingnan natin siya after 10 minutes. O, baka sabihin nyo naman sa akin, guys, sobrang excited ko. Hindi pa nga ako delay, pero nag-test na ako. Syempre, guys, kasi nga, diba, gusto kong i-make sure na hindi ako umiinom ng mga strongest na medicine. For example, masakit yung ulo ko, and then iinom ako ng kung ano-ano. For example, mga paracetamol na hindi siya pwede sa buntis, ganun. Medyo natatakot ako, guys, pag ganun kasi. So, I make sure talaga na uminom ako ng gamot na walang laman yung yung tummy ko. And ayun nga, siguro overprotected lang talaga ako. And I know that it's too early talaga mag-test. Sa akin, guys, meron talaga siyang light. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, hindi siya masyado. Hindi kasi siya mag-focus sa inyo, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys, may light talaga siya. Ayan, na color red. So, syempre, pag once na early pa talaga, hindi pa talaga makikita ang dark na lane dyan. Ayan, meron siyang konti talaga. So, kasi nga, same lang naman nun sa pangalawa kong test na medyo hindi talaga siya dark. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon, since my period gonna come, probably dapat siya, darating siya sa 25 this month. Pag hindi siya dumating, I will try to make a test again on 26. So, I will gonna update you guys. I know that this video is so long na, pero I just want to make a video with this, because this is my journey since it's my first time. Be, ang hirap kaya, Jai. Parang hindi ka makapakali, diba? Tingnan mo, meron siyang line. Mabakam yung camera ko, guys. Kaya, ayan, tsaga-tsaga na lang tayo dito. Diba? May siya, may light talaga. So, according to my research, pag light, pag meron siyang light na, dyan, lane. So, it means I'm pregnant. So, yun na nga, guys. I will wait for 2 days. Tomorrow is 24, and another day is 25. And then, on 26, I gonna retake the test again. And I will update you guys. Actually, meron naman akong binili dito na maraming test. Meron pa akong 4 na extra. So, pwede naman akong mag-test sa 25 and then another one sa 26 in the morning. Okay? So, can update you again. Bye! Hi guys, good morning. So today is June 28, 2025. And I test again and look at this guys. It's so dark na. It's really confirmed. Babe, you're gonna be a daddy. You're gonna be a daddy. Yeah, he already knew it, guys, because I do a lot of tests from 23, right, baby? From 23 until now.
Yeah.
This is the last PT that I have that we bought, and it's so dark already. Yeah, there, so dark, diba? The daddy, so handsome. So, yeah, you know it, guys. And that's it for tonight, for today, for this morning. What's that to? So, ayun, naging daddy and mommy na si Rumela and Lucas. Ayan, no. It's very, na.
Ja.
Dein Radio bitte. Dein Radio bitte. Ja, genau.
Ja.
Und?
Und? Alles gut?
Ja, guck mal.
Realisierst du nichts?
Was? Hat Zwillinge?
In zwei. Ja,
Ah, nee, nee.
doch.
Nee, nee. Oh, boah, Romella.
Zwei.
Die Zwillinge. Oh, das wird ein Abenteuer, du. Oh, Romella. Und was sagt der Arzt? Alles gut?